Welcome all of you. Welcome to our channel, that is Solid Master. So today in our session we will show you our remaining operators like logical, identity and membership operators in Python in Visual Studio Code. So our first operator is logical operator. In this operator we will see how to use it. So basically it is a symbol. First I will hear what is logical operator. Basically it is a symbol or word used to connect two or more expressions such that value of compound expression produced depends only on original expression. Two or more expressions. For example, and, or, not. These are the examples in logical operator. No. So I will show you one here. So if I use the if statement like if, so first I will define here variable a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 10. So now I will put here statement if a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. I will put here semicolon. Now print the numbers are greater than 0. So I will type here print the numbers are greater than 0. Okay, and I will next in the next line I will give here if a greater than 0 and b greater than 0 semicolon print the numbers are greater than 0. So now I have run here program. Now all, if you see here in output terminal, all the numbers are greater than 0. But if I put here like in C variable minus 20 and here I will put here else print, I will give here output at least one number will be less than 0. Then 0. Then what I will get here output if I run this, because here no numbers are greater less than 0. So now I will add here one variable that is C in this and C is greater than 0. So here it shows at least one number is less than 0. That means C is equal to minus 20 is less than 0. Here I have add here one variable. So this our output has gone in this here. So that's why it's come at least one number is less than 0. Okay. So I will move to our next identity operator here. So basically this operator are used to compare the objects if they are equal. Like I have typed here, what is identity? These are used to compare the objects. If they are equal or not. But if they are actually the same object with same memory location, then it will come true. But if they are location. Okay. So now I will show you one example here. So if I put here x is equal to greater than, I will put here in value x comma for comma, I will use here this string again x y is equal to here x, no, y is equal to not x. I will put here list string w3 spool z is equal to any value I will put here like 1 2 3. So now I will print here print is not in z, not z, like this I have put here. So I will print this one, run. So here it comes true because the value of x is not same as z, so that's why it comes true. If I put here again print x is z, so I will get here false like this because the value of x is not as same as z, so that's why it comes here false. Here I have put here x is not z, that means our values are not compared with z, it is not equal and in same memory, so that's why it comes true. Okay, again I will show you one example here. If I change here in variable z, that I will put here x. So if I print here, print x is z, then it will again come true. I will comment this one. So it's come true because z is equal to x and we have the value of x here. I have put there. So we have got true here in our output terminal. Because x is the same object as z, so that's why it's come true. So our next operator is a membership operator. This is our last operator in Python. So basically these operators are used to figure out if there are two forms of value as a part of sequence, such as string or list membership operator. Like suppose I will put here one example. X is equal to apple, banana here. I have made the list. Now print banana in X. Sorry, I have typed here wrong. Now I will run the Python file. So it's come here true because the value of banana in X is present in our same location. If I type here print cherry in X, then what will happen? It comes false because it is not, the cherry is not in same location in X. So I will run the file here. As it is come here false because cherry location, the value of cherry is not present in X, so that's why it comes false. So now here this is our in operator in membership. Now we will move to not in operator. So here z is equal to, I will put here z as a variable and here I will put list. I will choose here like here I will put pineapple for example. So now I have what type here, print pineapple not in X, so that's why it will come here true. If I run this program, here it comes true in our last after the false. That means pineapple value is not present in same location in Z. Sorry, I have put here X, Z it is. If I put here comma pineapple here, so I will run here, it will come here false because pineapple is present in same location in Z variable. So this is our not in and in operator in membership. So these are our three last operators in Python: logical, identity and membership operators. I hope you got my point. So please like and subscribe our channel so that we will make more and more videos in Solid Master. So guys, thank you for watching it. Stay blessed.